Rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a process of collecting and storing rainwater which flows from terraces, parks, roads, open fields, etc. This process of storing or collecting rainwater from a particular medium is called rainwater harvesting. The running water can either be stored or incorporated into groundwater. A rainwater harvesting system consists of various components such as storage tanks or various recharge structures. In other words, rainwater harvesting is a process of collecting and using rainwater falling on your roof in a usual way. Water scarcity is becoming a problem around the world. The reason for this is the continuous fall of the water level of the earth. Need for rainwater harvesting. Today, the scarcity of pure water has become a cause of concern. Pure rainwater is wasted, but if collected, the issue of water crisis can get solved to some extent. It is indeed a good option. Sites suitable for rainwater harvesting. Generally, rainwater harvesting can be done anywhere, but is more suitable for sites with low groundwater, sites with contaminated groundwater, hilly or uneven water sites, drought or flood affected sites, sites with polluted water, low population density sites, sites with high mineral and salt water. Benefits of rainwater harvesting. There are many direct and indirect benefits of rainwater harvesting technology, which are described below. Dependence on groundwater or government water supply will be reduced. Agricultural work is also possible at places where there are no water sources. High quality and pure water will be available. Control of flood velocity will reduce the soil erosion. Falling groundwater levels can be brought up. Source of water. In densely populated areas, rainwater flows from the roofs and creates the filth in the drains. While storing, it can resolve this problem. Following measures can be taken to store rainwater. Through these measures, the falling water level inside the ground can be brought up. Directly underground. Rainwater can be used to supply groundwater directly through a pit. Recharging by making ditches. Water can be used for groundwater connection by constructing large drains along the boundaries in the campuses of large institutes. Pouring water into wells and tube wells. Rainwater can be piped from the roofs to the house well or a well near the house. This water raises the groundwater level below ground. Storage in tank. Apart from recharging the groundwater reserves, rainwater can be stored in the tank to meet our daily needs. So, the time has come when the same amount of water which we have taken from the earth should be returned back in some or the other form. It is possible with the help of rainwater harvesting. It is our responsibility not to let a drop of water go to waste and use every drop. Rainwater is nature's gift which we can attain. Let's make rainwater conservation our campaign.